Hello friends, my name is Sami and you are watching Sami Khan Official. So friends, in this tutorial I will tell you that how you can fix the issue with any app that is not available in your country. So friends, before wasting the further time, let's get started. And friends, if you are a new member to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press on the bell icon, and if you like the video then hit the like button and enjoy the video. So friends, first of all open your Play Store. Google Spotify. You can see I am not able to find the application in my Play Store. Then simply I will write this in Google Spotify. Here you can see I want to download this application in Play Store. Okay, there is the error, this item is not available in your country. So friends, this is very common error and you cannot fix this error by changing your proxy. So then what you have to do, just follow my steps. Then open your browser again and right here APK Pure download, and from this website open with Chrome and download APK Pure and then install it. After that open the APK Pure and friends, search your application Google Spotify. Here you can see this is the application which I want, so simply you can install. And it is downloading. When it is downloaded completely 100%, then simply install it. And APK Pure is the very good option that if you are not able to install any application from the Play Store, then you can find it on the APK Pure that will be free and easy to install on the APK Pure. So friends, I think so you have liked my video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, and one thing more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to press on the bell icon. And goodbye for now, we'll meet you in the next week.